Hi, I'm going to show you how to use Video Pencil with mimoLive. Here is mimoLive with a basic scene. I've got a camera and my audio set up. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a virtual camera output here under my outputs. So I'll drag that in, and that's saying plugins are not installed. So please click on the online help button to learn more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here into the menus. There is a help menu, install virtual camera plugin. That's going to take us to the website, and we're going to find a button to download and install the virtual camera. So I'll just download that. I will open that. I will run the installer. I'll put in my password for my computer. And now it wants me to restart. So I've restarted, but also I've gone to the App Store and I've looked for an app called Video Pencil Camera, which gives you a camera extension that you can use to connect to your iPad running Video Pencil. So we'll open that. And what we're going to see now in this drop down here is what you want to draw on which cameras. Now that the virtual camera is visible, we can see this mimoLive demo is available. And that is the output from mimoLive showing in Video Pencil Camera. And what you can also see here is it's connected to Video Pencil on the iPad, and there's a local NDI feed available. So back in mimoLive, we are going to add, with this button up here, going to add an NDI source. And we're going to put that down here. We're going to select on here, this is the name of my computer, mfpro.local, and then the NDI is called Video Pencil. So we'll select that and drag that over the top of the other layer. And you see this is transparent. And if I start drawing, it gets added over there. And that will just automatically be selected on your iPad. If you run Video Pencil Camera on your Mac, then your iPad will see it and connect. So now you can use Video Pencil and it will all work. Now, if you have an older iPad that doesn't support HEVC encoding, then you might need to connect NDI directly. So older devices include anything before an iPhone 7, anything before an iPad Pro 2, I think it is. We don't use Video Pencil Camera in this case. So instead, I'm back on a fresh project, and this time what I'm doing is I will add an NDI source. The iPad is running Video Pencil. You want the iPad Video Pencil. This is the NDI layer from the iPad. So if we see that, we select that, we can drag that in up into our layer stack. I'll rename it to Video Pencil just so I know. Drag that up into my layer stack. And now you see this is actually not transparent yet. We need to create an NDI output. I'll click the little button here and add a NDI layer, and then this is now running. So on the iPad, you will see mimoLive NDI coming from your computer. I select that. It's black, but you see there's some NDI signal coming. So what we have to do to make it all work is go into settings. So there's this settings button here that brings up this. There's an NDI tab. So you need to hit NDI on here. So you're going to turn on transparent output over NDI. And that's going to work for mimoLive NDI. And once we do that, we are now in business. It is going to no longer be black, it's going to be transparent, and we're going to be able to use Video Pencil. To get Video Pencil, you just go to squares.tv/videopencil, and I look forward to seeing you on the Discord.